Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making the Nigerian meat pie. In a medium bowl, add all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever flavor you want. Mix this together. Add your very cold butter, margarine. Now you can use just butter or just margarine if that's what you have. With a clean hand, begin to rub this together to create tiny flakes of fat. Crack into eggs and mix together to form a dough. Your dough might be a little too hard at this point. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of very cold milk or water. In this video, I've used evaporated milk, but you can certainly use any low-fat milk of your choice. Just make sure it's really cold. Transfer to a lightly floured work surface and gently knead this for no more than 1 minute. Try not to overwork your dough. What you're looking for is a shaggy dough that's moist enough to hold together when pressed between your fingers. Place in a bowl, cover with cling film and set in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, we're going to make our filling. Add your vegetable oil in a pan, chopped onions, add your chopped garlic and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Create a space in the middle and add your minced beef. Begin crumbly immediately and fry until it loses its pinkness. Continue stir frying for another 2 minutes. And add your seasoning. Curry powder, thyme, ground chili pepper, seasoning cubes, salt to taste. Add some water. Stir to combine. Add more water if needed. Cover and allow to simmer gently for further 3 to 5 minutes. Add your potatoes and carrot. Add more water and cook the veggies until they're tender. To thicken the sauce, we're gonna make a slurry. You need 2 tablespoons of flour to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix together and add to the sauce. Now stir immediately and leave to cook for another 2 minutes. Take it off the heat and allow to cool down completely. Flour your work surface. Now take the dough out of the refrigerator. We're going to divide the dough into 10 equal pieces. Crack 1 egg and mix with 1 tablespoon of milk. This is just to help us seal the pie and also for the glaze. Take each piece of dough, shape it into a ball, and roll it out with a rolling pin. Try not to roll it out to be too thin or too thick. Thickness of about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch should be okay. About that thickness. Now take a standard dessert bowl. Use it as a template to cut a perfect circular shape. Run a knife round the edges to make your cut. And remove the excess. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling at the center. Then brush the edges lightly with the egg mixture. This is just to ensure it seals properly. Now, fold over the pastry dough to form a semicircle. Press firmly with your finger. And lastly, you want to crimp the pastry edges with a fork to seal the pie. Repeat the process with the rest of your pastry dough and filling. Place on a baking sheet lined tray, or you can also use a foil. With a fork, create some steam vents to allow the steam out while cooking. And brush with the egg wash to make them more appealing to the eyes when they come out of the oven. Place in the middle of a preheated oven. It's preheated to 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Let it cool for 5 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Look at that. A good pie is all about the crust. Buttery perfection, flaky, tender and golden brown. Flavor good enough to eat on its own. It is moist inside. And of course guys, feel free to adjust the seasonings to your own taste. This was delicious. Thank you guys for watching my video. And please like, share and subscribe.